Hey, this is my CS50x project. It's a Pomodoro timer, and basically you can log out, and you can sign up an account, email, password, and you can log in here with Google and GitHub, whatever, or even email. Maybe you forgot password, and he will send an email to your account. Okay, we log in successfully with GitHub. So the main feature is working with my homework, and there's timer goes on, and I just go and do some stuff. Maybe if I want to press play to stop, and let's say showing social media, and then oh my god, we can Pomo detect it and decline my reason, like it's okay to there's 49 minutes and 50 seconds left. Good work, well finish up. Keep your phone away or on silent. Really helpful. And then press this and timer will continue. Or maybe I have some fire alarm goes off. Yep. And say let's so this will be accept, and I will be stop borrow stuff. So here we can view my insights over time. Like here is the 0.2 minutes here, and the history where you can search. Oh, it's update because true emergency, the fire alarm. Yep, and you can even search for homework and like coding section. You can search. In setting, you can change your homework setting. 25 minutes here, and then when you go back to page, 25 minutes, in the about section where you can read about this app, how to use it, and what kind of things in the profile, where the dots indicate that I have online today using this Pomodoro app, and you can view your progress over time. Here's a section where you can update your email or maybe delete your password or your profile. That's it. Pretty cool.